Imagine that was the okay.
It's like a warm. It's like a pocket of warm for later.
Can you crank her back? Hey, Laura, let me crank her back, baby. Baby girl. Oh, she's doing it! Hey, content God! Let's go! I gotta pee, dude. Shut up, Megan Daddy. 3, 4 now. 2. Would you grab both the phones and there's so on that? Come on. Oh no! No. Do this.
Lori, don't listen to them.
Breathe
They're
in.
just fucking with you.
Wait for it. You smell like a scent.
Oh.
What's up? No, put the phones down.
Oh my god.
Put the fucking phones down. I'm gonna crack it back. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Yeah.
That felt good, right? Yeah. Whore! I love Ashley. How dare you? I gotta pee. Oh, flick. Oh, pop. Look it up. Oh, a copper. You're nice. Hey, will you talk to my streamer? I gotta pee. I'll pee right here. On the carpet. Just kidding. Hey, Bone, my boy.
What's up?
Can you take my stream over and
Sure.
not give it to Casey?
Sure, yep, no problem.
You're about to be on some dual stream shit.
Yep, dual stream. Okay.
Dual stream shit. Hey, and I'm gonna make it ready. Hey, Laura. I got no pee. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Ramen!
Where are you going?
What else want to say?
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go pee.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Now, can you open this door for me?
You can't figure it out?
I can't figure it out.
Figure it out, little bruises. Should probably not leak outside for the millionth time. Okay. All right, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put this over here. Where are your cigarettes, Blade?
They
Find
all got burned and on fucking fact fire.
Oh.
See that one?
Yeah, they got fucked up.
Yeah, they got fucked up. Oh, can I get a lighter, bro?
Hey, are you guys going outside right now?
Yeah, we're going outside. Hey, give me a lighter. Give me a lighter, dude.
Shut the fuck up, dude. Close the door. Close the door.
Give me a lighter.
No. Close the door. I'm backing up right now.
No, give me a lighter.
I don't have a fucking lighter. What are you talking about?
Well, then I'm not close the door. Wait, why are you close the door, dude?
Bro, I'm trying to park the RV.
Cool.
How's it going, bro?
Don't care. I gotta get outside, dude. You got a lighter, dude.
I would, but I'm holding.
I know
Yeah.
you do. Okay, a lighter? Lighter, yeah. I got the bros.
Oh shit.
We gotta fucking leave Casey, dude. Casey's ruining this trip.
Bro, what are you doing? You almost fucking walked out.
I'm smoking a cigarette.
Bro, the RV's rolling right now.
I don't care.
What are you doing? I don't want to fucking kill this guy.
All you see is the little white part of his scalp going away in the darkness. Dude, I'm fucking holding a million streams. No one's. Fuck, give me a second.
Anybody?
Yeah, I'll do it, dude. Sorry, Jesus.
You, Blade, stop this. It's so wrong and cringeworthy. Treat ugly women with respect and make sure you use Hell Blade.
Okay.
Bro, it's on the other side. Don't worry. Just fucking close the door so I can back in.
So, Laura.
clearance on that
Feeling good?
side though, bro.
Really? You don't have any thoughts about that? What just happened there?
What happened there? What, he flicked her mole and then what?
He was just being, you know.
What
okay?
happened, Boneclinks?
Is that okay for men to treat you like that? It's not okay. Do you feel sad? Yeah, I would too. I would feel very sad.
You were a little sad?
A little sad. You're scared? Don't be scared. It's okay. They won't hurt you anymore. Okay. Get you the help.
Let's go. Let's pick it up. Oh my God, look at these beautiful people in here.
Beautiful people.
Beautiful people!
Yeah, try not to leak.
Beautiful peoples.
Alright,
Hey, what streams are on? Oh, is everything on stream-wise?
yes.
Yeah.
It's just on me, bros. It's cool.
Clean the mess. Dude, I know.
What did I do?
This mess is literally from, like, the
What did I do?
very recent.
Oh, fair reason.
Yeah, no, it's not you. I mean, it is.
Yeah, it is,
But, I mean, it's not all you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's not all you, so don't worry about it. We're gonna clean it all up, or I'll clean it all up in a second. Or someone else will. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
What up, stream? Laura, what's up with that? What's up with that sex?
Players 4K stream? Oh, yeah, I totally do.
Try to have some sex or something? I gotta bang it out before I meet Ashley. We'll order to figure it out. Oh my God, you're poor. Your pussy wouldn't make me no money. That's why I'm not having sex with you. That's the thing. If I had sex with you, you'd give me money. If I had sex with you, would you give me money? Why do you get confused on obvious answers? Okay, that's amazing that you gave me a smile and shit, but I'm asking you a serious question. I'm about to be the love of my life, and I want to... Oh, what you got? Oh, a Diet Coke. Whore.
Blade's gotta treat women with respect. Come and Blade be better than this.
You goddamn right.
Wow.
But real though. Like, I'm not even sexually attracted to you, but let's figure it the fuck out. I gotta get all my nuts out before I beat Ashley. So help me out there, bruises. Okay. So you have this thing where you just smile through everything, and that's amazing. You got beautiful teeth. But don't smile through everything. Don't smile through everything. Hey, you're a beautiful girl. Little dick dudes are fond of you. Figure it out. But like, don't smile through everything. What if you're sad? What if you're depressed?
Why is Casey the only one getting his pecker wet? What about you, Blade? Don't you want to bust a bit inside a butthole? Figure it out.
I'm working on it.
Working on it. Figuring it out,
working on it. Alright, I gotta piss.
What's gonna happen?
Someone's still in there?
Hey!
Hey Blade, Laura was just running her mouth telling Bone you made her scared for her life because you tried to rape her in the bathroom and then flicked her mole, her huge disgusting mole. You should get a knife and cut it off the kitten for running her mouth.
Did I try to rape you? Let him know. Tell him no. Say it louder. No. No, I never tried to rape you. Did Bjorn try to rape you? You heard it here first. Bjorn raped her. Mexican, what up, dude? Mexican, come here, bro. Mexican, come here, dude. You're poor. I'm about to give you some Meager Balls today. You figure it out, dudes. Fuck you, Mexican. Come here, dude. That's what the stream wants, dude. Dude, you're the only person that's ever driven my fucking Cadillac. Come on. Get in here, dude. Yeah, back shift, bitch. Figure it out. No, hey. Monkey bones. Hey, no, come on. Hey, will you please convince him to invite him back? Huh? Mexican is the only person that's ever driven my Cadillac.
Jesus Christ, you are fucking insane. Do you not realize that English isn't your first language? Also, you have the smallest stick on the RV besides Mexican Andy. We also saw you hanging brain the other night but saw no sausage. You got turtle a dick.
Oops, my dick's huge. Hey, do that. Hey, do that thing. Huge dick on.
Blade, this is a really bad looking, not to mention you're whooped off some chick that you've never met who's also probably much uglier than the girl you're disrespecting right now. You're getting catfished and Ashley isn't going to meet up with your unicorn.
Goddamn right. Hey, $15 fire sales figured out, bitch. Die in a fire. Go. Let's get it. First off, neat.
Bone, your donations are not working, and also Blade is out of control. Is someone actually going to put a stop to the way that Hes Hawkins will not trying to white knight, but this is honestly getting
Hey,
ridiculous.
where's Bjorn? Hey,
Blade, what do you think about making a pit stop in South Carolina and visit Wings of Redemption?
let's do it, dude. Let's do it, bros.
The reason my fucking alert box keeps on breaking. It's so weird.
I alerted you about it. Let's do that, let's do that,
No more
dude.
stuff than we'll actually even have room for.
Hey, let me just some of that Sprite, guy.
Oh.
Is that really against your shit?
Bro, look at the floor. Like, what the fuck we
I ain't looking at the floor,
it
dude.
just-
I'm looking up,
It
brothers.
just happened. It's cool, bro.
Fuck
It'll
the
get
dumb
cleaned
shit.
up.
Hey, fuck everyone looking at the floor. We're looking at all that shit, dudes.
You don't gotta clean it up, bro.
I ain't clean shit. Oh.
No, him, he doesn't have to clean it up.
No, you should clean it. CJ Holiday. CJ Holiday. Did I know you before? Hey, CJ Holiday. CJ Holiday. Come in the chat, dude.
Bro, what the fuck? I'm at CJ Holiday. Don't pull my shirt, bro.
Fuck your shirt, dude.
What's up?
Fuck your shirt, dude.
What's up, dude?
Sit